Hey guys, it's Nicole Scott, and today we're going to be talking about Rent Reporters, why I think it's such an awesome platform for you guys to be able to get a primary trade line. Let me say that one more time. Yes, this is a primary trade line that reports to not only Equifax, but Transunion as well. So, Rent Reporters is actually one of the few rent reporting companies that will report your on-time monthly rental payments to Equifax and to TransUnion. So it's a great way for you to be able to build your payment history. You can actually add the last 24 months of history to your credit report onto, again, Equifax and to TransUnion. So let's talk about some frequently asked questions. Does this really work? And all of the things that come along with me, providing you guys with any sort of credit builder, because I always want to test things out before I just, put it out there for people. I want to make sure that it actually really works. And that's one thing that I have been able to do with everything that I bring you guys. I verify it with myself, with my clients before I even bring it to you guys. So everything that I talk about is tested and approved. So there is no hard inquiry for rent reporters. So there will be no credit inquiry on your credit report. You can backdate your rental payments for the last 24 months. Now, what if your property manager does not report rent? Well, if you have a family member or someone that owns a home and you rent a closet or you rent a doorknob from them, I don't know, if you rent something in their home, that would be considered a rental. So, what a lot of people do is if their parents own a home and they, can have their parents verify their rent, they can easily say, hey, look, I pay my parents, $500 a month for rent and I pay them via Zelle. Okay. That's all you really need to say. They don't verify, they don't have to see the payments or anything like that. So you can actually say that you do rent from anyone who is on title of a home. Okay. And all that person would need to do is just verify the information initially and then verify every month via yes or no on the email or text message that is sent from rent reporters. So let me show you guys an example of what to expect. So over here, this is what the rent verification looks like from rent reporters. So rent reporters will actually send the homeowner a rental verification, and all that the homeowner would need to do is literally click yes or no. Obviously, in this situation, we always want them to click yes, and that's as easy as it gets. Literally just a yes button. And here's the lease details. It gives the address, the rental amount. I don't, recommend putting a really high amount on there just because you want your DTI to stay fairly low. But the lease start date does matter. You definitely want to make sure that this is backdated 24 months. If it's not, you can contact rent reporters and just ask them to update it. And then, of course, if there's a lease end, in this case, it's just month to month. So again, if you own the home, you can definitely verify rentals. A lot of places that are like commercial properties that have property management companies that monitor the grounds do not report. So you just have to work with your property management company. So again, right here, can I report rent from a commercial property? The credit bureaus don't allow rent reporting on commercial buildings. So if I rent from a friend or a family member and I'm not on the lease, am I still eligible? Yes, right from rent reporters. Yes, you're still eligible. They want everyone to sign up because this is how rent reporters makes money. And this is how we can benefit each other. Rent reporters makes money. We benefit from having this primary trade line listed on our credit report and getting those last 24 months of history, because that's what a lot of people need, is that on-time payment history. Okay. How does the subscription work? Well, it's initially, I think, like $95 to sign up for rent reporters, but sometimes they have discounts. So if you sign up for them, they'll often send discounts. You can even sign up as like a roommate discount if you have someone else in the home that's signing up and you want to kind of piggyback off them. I think it's like $50 to piggyback. And then it's $9.95 to report monthly. So our goal is just to get that initial 24 months of history on our report. And then you can pay monthly for however long you need to. But if you don't really need to after a few months, you can cancel it. It's still going to say that it's, you know, the histories, the payments, everything's still going to be on there. It might just not be active. And that's not the end of the world. So either way, it's okay. I just recommend keeping it for a few months, maybe 6 months or so. Just let 2.5 months worth of payments report on there. And it's a lot. It's a lot for your credit report. How much will your credit score increase by using this? It really depends on the data that you have on your report. Like if you don't have any derogatory data, this could really benefit you. So here's one of the questions: how much will my credit score increase? On average, it says it increases about 40 points. So I know based on my history that trade lines with a 4 to 5 year history typically add anywhere from 30 to 50 points on your credit report. So they're saying on average about 40 points. That's, given the fact that you don't have any derogatories, really all that your profile needs is that history and more open accounts. The goal again is to get to 10 open active accounts listed on your credit profile that you are paying as agreed. And this is one. This is considered an installment loan. It's the same amount of money every single month. And this is a great way to get that primary trade line onto your credit report and not have an inquiry and, of course, inherit all of that history. How long will it take? Typically, you'll see it on your credit report within 30 days because that's how long it typically takes for the credit bureaus to update it. Now, their verification process is pretty quick. It's usually about 3 to 5 days. And then you'll see it on your credit report about 30 days or so after that. How does the monthly subscription work? Again, it's only $9.95 a month. For as long as you want to keep it, you can cancel it at any time. And again, they will need to contact the landlord or the property owner just to verify that payments have been made on time. But again, it's this easy. It's just, a simple yes or a no, and it goes onto your credit report. So it is that easy, guys. If you go to the pricing tab, you'll be able to see all of the pricing. We went over this. It's $9.95 per month, $94.95 sign up fee. And this is what you get when you enroll. So they also have an annual fee. And of course, that is basically you paying for 12 months of service. So you get a little bit of a discount, but I don't really think it's necessary. I think the $9.95 per month is perfectly fine. And then you can, of course, cancel at any time. So some of the benefits that you do get with this service is you get a free credit score. I'm not sure if this is an actual FICO or a Vantage score, but either way, you'll get an idea of where your credit is if it's a Vantage score. But if you understand the data points, your credit score will always be headed in the right direction. So just understanding where you need to be with each of those pieces of the puzzle that bring the credit score together. The credit dashboard, you get a personal credit specialist, you get 24 months of rental history, monthly reporting, some resources and things like that, spouse roommate discount. And then to add an additional landlord, it's $50. So you can actually have multiple rent accounts reported onto your credit report, which is great for those of you that have a thin file, meaning you don't have many credit accounts. You can add an additional landlord for $50, which is great. Sure, there's an additional fee per month for that, but that's something that you can ask them about. But if you did want to go ahead and get signed up, you can just go to the Enroll Now button. If you speak Spanish, there is a Spanish tab up here. So that's really great for those Spanish speakers that are looking to build credit. This is a great program to do that with as well, since it is a bilingual program. And that will, again, allow you to add those 24 months worth of history and, just have that primary trade line that is in your name that is showing that you pay every month as agreed. So my name is Nicole Scott, and I, of course, appreciate you tuning into this video. If you are interested in adding rent reporters to your credit report, please go ahead and go to the link in the description, because our link helps support our channel, of course. And by you supporting us, we appreciate it. And of course, make sure to give me a like, give me a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. If you have any questions, I'm always here to help, provide value. And of course, my goal is to help you get to your goal as fast as possible. With that being said, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Credit Coach Pros. Make sure that you follow the channel, The Real Nicole Scott, where you can get access to a lot of our training videos and just great credit information that I come across that I've used in my experience with myself, with my clients, real life experience, seeing really how this stuff works. So I'm giving you raw and time, guys. Stay tuned.